Welcome to the Strata at Abberly Village Apartment Homes by HHHunt. With 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1,216 square feet, this floor plan gives you the space to live in the place to live. Was a spacious kitchen on your list? Check. This home has it. This kitchen comes fully equipped and offers ample cabinet and counter space. This open concept makes entertaining a reality. Plus, the degree of separation helps make dinner parties and the dining area intimate and cozy. Just off the living area, you will find a space for outdoor lounging. Equipped with dual owner suites, this floor plan is perfect for 2 roommates, a guest suite, or a family that needs a little extra privacy. But don't worry, the second ensuite's accessible from the hall too, so your guests will be covered. Both bedrooms offer a ton of natural light, large closets, and the space you need. Your ensuites invite you to soak your cares away and include a linen closet for convenience. With a full-size washer and dryer, coat closet, desk area, and smart technology, this home is the one that you have dreamed of, because at HHHunt, it's how you live that matters. For more information or to tour this model, visit liveabberlyvillage.com.